Are you an aspiring artist, a professional illustrator, or simply someone who loves to doodle? The right drawing tablet can transform your creative process, making it more intuitive and enjoyable than ever. In today's digital age, choosing the best drawing tablet is essential for artists of all skill levels. With countless options available ranging from budget-friendly to high-end models, how do you find the perfect fit for your needs? In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best drawing tablets on the market, highlighting their features, benefits, and what to consider when making your choice. Let's dive into the world of digital art. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. XPPen Deco MW, our pick for best budget drawing tablet. If you're starting your journey into digital art, the XPPen Deco MW is an excellent option that won't break the bank. This drawing tablet combines functionality with affordability, making it a fantastic entry-level choice for budding artists like you. You'll appreciate the Deco MW's 8x5-inch drawing area, which is just right for honing your skills, though more seasoned artists may find themselves desiring a larger surface. The tablet's slim design, only 8.5mm thick, ensures portability, so you can take it wherever your creativity leads. One standout feature is the advanced stylus powered by the X3 chip, offering 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a 60-degree tilt function for precise line work. With Bluetooth and USB connectivity, you can enjoy over 10 hours of wireless use. Plus, it's compatible with a variety of digital art applications, from Photoshop to Krita, and even works with iPhones and Android devices for added convenience. While some users may find the calibration app and driver less intuitive compared to brands like Wacom, it becomes manageable with practice. Available in vibrant colors like blue, green, and pink, the Deco MW is not only practical, but also a stylish addition to your art supplies. Dive into the world of digital art with the XPPen Deco MW and unleash your creativity. Number 4. Huion Kamvas Pro 13, our pick for best mid-range drawing tablet. The Huion Kamvas Pro 13 is an excellent mid-range pen display graphics tablet that delivers a remarkable blend of affordability and functionality, perfect for your creative needs without breaking the bank. With its stunning 2.5K display and impressive 145% sRGB color gamut, you can expect vibrant and true-to-life visuals that enhance your artistic projects. The 13-inch screen provides ample workspace while remaining lightweight at just 1 kilogram, making it easy to transport. While the tablet connects to your laptop or desktop, the included cables may be shorter than ideal, which could pose a challenge depending on your setup. Fortunately, the 7 programmable keys on the left side allow you to personalize your workflow with quick shortcuts, helping you work more efficiently. Though the drawing experience is generally good, you may notice that the pen's resistance isn't as pronounced as some might prefer. If you like a thinner stylus, this is worth considering as you explore your options. If you're looking for a high-quality display that prioritizes color accuracy and vivid imagery rather than a touchscreen feature, the Huion Kamvas Pro 13 stands out as a solid, value-driven choice. It's designed for creators like you who seek a reliable companion for your artistic journey, striking the perfect balance between performance and cost. Number 3. Wacom Intuos, our pick for best drawing tablet for photo and video editing. The Wacom Intuos drawing tablet is an exceptional choice for artists who prefer a classic non-display setup. Its textured surface replicates the familiar feel of drawing on paper, enhancing your creative experience. One of the key benefits of using an Intuos is its design, which encourages a more ergonomic posture. By using an external monitor, you can maintain a natural head position, minimizing strain on your neck and shoulders, something every artist can appreciate during long hours of work. What truly sets the Intuos apart for photo and video editing is its compatibility with professional-grade calibrated monitors. While display tablets have their perks, the Intuos allows you to achieve superior color accuracy without the high price tag associated with integrated displays. This means you can create and edit with confidence, ensuring that your projects meet the highest standards. Integration into your existing digital art setup is seamless with the Intuos. It connects effortlessly to your computer, monitor, or laptop, making it a versatile addition to any workspace. Plus, its lightweight, compact design means you can take it anywhere. Slip it into your backpack without worry, thanks to its durable build. Featuring a USB-C port for easy connectivity and the highly responsive Wacom Pro Pen 2 included, the Intuos is more than just a tool. It's a gateway to elevating your artistic and editing process. Embrace the precision and comfort that the Intuos brings to your creative journey. Number 2. Apple iPad. Pro M4 11-inch, our pick for best drawing tablet for Apple users. The 11-inch iPad Pro is your ultimate creative companion, designed to cater to your artistic needs. With a vast array of drawing and artist apps at your disposal, you can effortlessly elevate your skills, whether you're sketching, painting, or illustrating. This powerful device transforms into a highly responsive drawing tablet, providing you with precise control using the Apple Pencil for all your creative projects. Imagine a seamless workflow where saving and transferring your artwork to your computer or iPhone becomes second nature. If you're a Mac user, you'll appreciate the benefits of Apple's continuity feature, allowing you to annotate directly on your Mac with your iPad. This integration significantly enhances your productivity and streamlines your creative process. With high-performance versions of Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop available on the iPad, you gain full compatibility with their desktop counterparts, putting advanced tools right at your fingertips. Equipped with 256 GB of storage and the option to utilize cloud storage, the iPad Pro ensures that you have ample space for your creative endeavors. The stunning 2388 by 1668 pixel touchscreen display offers vibrant visuals, all while keeping the device lightweight at only 1 pound. This combination of portability and functionality makes the iPad Pro the ideal device for artists like you, enabling you to explore your creativity anytime and anywhere. Embrace your artistic journey with the iPad Pro and watch your ideas come to life. Number 1. Wacom PTH 860 Intuos Pro, our pick for best drawing tablet overall. The Wacom PTH 860 Intuos Pro is designed to elevate your creative experience, combining versatility with a sleek design. With a generous 12-inch active surface, you have ample space to bring your artistic visions to life. The customizable Express keys provide one-touch access to your most used functions, streamlining your workflow and allowing you to focus more on your art and less on navigating menus. One of the standout features of the Intuos Pro is the Wacom Pro Pen 2, which offers a remarkable 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, enabling you to create with precision and nuance. Whether you're sketching, illustrating, or editing video in applications like Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe After Effects, this tablet seamlessly integrates into your creative process. You'll appreciate the tablet's sturdy construction, making it comfortable to use both on your desk and while relaxing in your lap. The near lag-free operation ensures that your movements are captured instantly, enhancing your creativity without interruption. For added flexibility, you can connect via USB or utilize the built-in Bluetooth for a clean, wire-free workspace. Weighing just 2.9 pounds and measuring 16.8 by 11.2 by 0.3 inches, the Intuos Pro is portable enough to go wherever inspiration strikes. If you're ready to take your artistry to the next level, the Wacom PTH 860 Intuos Pro is the perfect tool to support your journey. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which drawing tablet you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.